Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Alethea and I would like to thank you so much for coming to check out this video. So if you watched my previous video, then you'll know, well, not the previous one, but the one before the previous one, then you'll know that I have been waiting on a shipment from Kiara Sky, and I have that shipment now and I'm actually going to open it up. I can't wait to see how I feel about the products I got. And to be honest, I remember a couple of things, but I don't remember everything I got. But I got a few items. So I'm just going to open this up. And then it has the, what are these? Like the popcorn thingamajigs. So let's just take everything out so then we can look at it. The first thing I got is the all-in-one pool party acrylic. I got this blue acrylic. I just wanted to see how it is, and I think, and you guys tell me if I'm wrong, but I think that when I put a blue or some other type of color on there, I have to put a cover clear, like a clear color on top of it. But this is 2 ounces and this was $17.99. So this better be good because this is almost $20. So that's what it looks like. And then I have some gel polish. So the first one I have is this color Creme de Mood. And let's see, I think it's like a brown, like a neutral color, because I do like neutral colors. Yes, it is. It's like a neutral color. I didn't bring any color swatches over here to show you guys the colors, but you can see here what they're looking like. And then the next color I have is Only Natural. And I don't know, this may be the same, this may be similar to the other one, but I don't know. So this one, yeah, this one is like a nudie, a clear nude type. I really want to see this on something. Let me get something. It's like a clear with a hint of color. All right, so let's put a second coat. It does have a little bit of color that if you can see it there. So it takes a couple of coats to get some color payoff on it, but there's a color payoff. Okay, so now let's go back to the Creme de Mood and see what this color looks like. Yes, I like this. This is like not taupe, but this is definitely one of the neutral colors. Has a little streakiness in it. This polish is definitely not like a prey. Did I say definitely? Did I say that right? But anyway, it's not like a prey. With the prey, most of the polishes I have with them comes out very good with one coat. And sometimes I'll use 2 coats on those, but really and truly, 1 coat is all it takes when it comes to a prey. All right, and let's do a second coat. Yeah, that second coat just brings the color right on in. So then the next color I have is Be My King. And I think this is a pink, which of course is what made me get it. You know what? I should have shaken these up. I didn't do that. Let's shake them up. Let's shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them. Anyway. So this is like a bubble gum pink. So this is right up my alley. Oh my goodness. So the color that I have on my nails now, I have said that I really liked it and I was going to use it when I do my next set of nails, but we might be using this bubblegum pink. All right, and let's see what it looks like with a second coat. Okay, and the last polish I have is, this color is called Etiquette First. Oh my gosh. This is almost just like, how did I do that? How did I get two colors that are almost the same? I think the first one is a little bit more cool and this one is a little bit warmer, but they are so similar. Yeah, this polish kind of streaks definitely on the first try. Wow, those are so similar. Creme de Etiquette first. Those are definitely different colors. All right, so let's see what it looks like with a second coat. Okay, so the Creme de Nude was $11.70 and the other three were $11.69. So based off of this first impressions, I don't think I'll be purchasing any more polish from Kiara Sky because the quality is just not what I was hoping it would be. I think I'll stick to my Apres nail polish or some other brand that if I find that I like. And then the next thing I have these little buffers, the 80-180 grit. So there are 10 pieces in here. I didn't know these were going to be that small, but I do like it. And then of course, and the buffers were $5.99. And then of course I have the brush. The main thing that I have wanted is to try these brushes, and I have this brush, and this is the pink, and it says 100% Kolinsky acrylic brush, and this brush is in the size 8. I thought it would be showing on there somewhere, but yeah, and it's the pink one. So let's see. Okay, so this brush is very light. This brush almost feels as light as the brush that I purchased from, what are they called? Young Nails? Yeah, Young Nails. And this one is not pinched, but I am going to pinch it. I'm going to try it first, and then if I feel like I need to pinch it, I'm going to pinch it. So let's see how we feel about this. And the brush was $27.90. So my total came up to, well, I got a discount of $10.89 because I used somebody's discount code, and then the total came up to $115.63. So I'm going to use this acrylic I got from Dynamic Nails, and I'm just going to, where's my dropper? So we're going to test out the brush as well as the acrylic to see how this works for us. So the reason I wanted to get the number 8 brush is because people were suggesting on their videos to start off with something kind of small, and most of them recommended a number 8 or a 10. So I went ahead and I decided to start with the number 8. That is a pretty blue. That right there is a pretty blue, and I'm not a big fan of blue, but I really do like this blue. I also feel like the brush picked up the bead better than the one I got from Young Nails. So let's look at this again. Let me show you this again. Oh yeah, Young Nails definitely needs to change the brushes they have, because this is much better. So let's try this. I'm really tempted to try it on something. So let's try this on my finger. Let me get the finger prepped, and I'll be right back to try this on the finger. And this will also tell me whether or not I need to keep it the way it is or whether or not I need to go ahead and crimp it. Okay, so I prepped my finger to go ahead and try the acrylic out. I decided to go ahead and make this a really short square. So we're just gonna test it out. Okay, so one of the things that I can tell you is this acrylic seems to dry pretty fast, but I also like the texture of it, the consistency of it. I think it's some good acrylic. I mean, it's not like I've tried a lot, but I like this. All I gotta do is get, of course, my liquid to powder ratio down packed, and I'll be good to go. Part of me is telling myself that I should crimp the brush, and a part of me is telling myself to leave the brush as it is. I think I'm going to go with the part that's telling me to crimp it. also like the fact that this handle is shorter than the young nails handle. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to crimp it. Okay, so this is the tool. This is the tool that I got from my friend to crimp the last one, because I don't have tools. So let's see, which way? Is there a certain way that I should crimp it? I do have a clear in the young nails, but that is the low odor powder, so I cannot use it with this monomer. But I do have this X-ray clear from Dynamic Nails, so I'm just going to use that one as a clear to go over the top of it. Gotta reshape it, of course. Alright, so this nail definitely is not perfect, but it was just a tester nail. So okay, so I'm not gonna lie, this blue does look really pretty. So let's put this top coat on it. So I do have one more order coming from Young Nails because they have a 30% sale going on. But after I get this Young Nails order, I will not be ordering anything else anytime soon. I'll be using the things that I have, and it's been fun buying products, but yeah, I need to slow down. I am so excited about this new journey, and that I just see so much stuff and I just want everything that I see, and it's crazy. So here is the final result of the nail. I think it came out pretty good. I think my acrylic is a little too thick. So thank you guys so much for stopping by the channel to check out another video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you get out of here. And if there is anything that you want to see me do when it comes to nails, or if you want to send me a design to duplicate, because designs are something else I'm working on. So if you want to send me a design to duplicate, I would greatly appreciate that and enjoy that as well. So with all that being said, you ladies and gentlemen, have a great day, be safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.